Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use OpenAI Codex CLI on Windows. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first, you need to download Node.js in your PC. So go for the command prompt and open it and say node-d to check the version. Here you can see I have the version. It means I have installed Node.js in my PC. In your case, if you don't see this, you have to install it. This is pretty simple. Just go to the browser and go for the Node.js org. Go for the download. Select long-term support version. Then go for the .msi because we are from Windows. So click here download and it will be downloaded, and after that you just have to install it in your PC. Open your command prompt cmd and then open it, and you have to run here a command, and that is npm install -g add OpenAI /codex. So npm, for this npm actually we need to install Node.js. Now we can actually use this command. And then we have to say install and then -g for the globally. I mean, we want to access Codex from anywhere in our PC, so we need to install it in globally, right? So we say here -g and then add OpenAI, then /codex. Hit enter. You can see added one package. Now we have to actually go to the browser and you have to go for the OpenAI key. So let's go to the browser and you have to come to this page. The page is all about platform.openai.com. And you have to log into your account. Here you can see currently I am logged in. Now in the left side, you have to search for OpenAI key. If you don't find it, just search here API key. You can see API keys. So go there. And now we have to actually create our new secret key. So we'll click here new. And let's name it as, let's say, Yamin Webtech 07. Select default project. Now click here, create secret key. Make sure you have copied it, okay? And you have to actually keep it somewhere in your PC, because when you actually say here done, you can't actually copy this code anymore, okay? Now let's go to the command prompt once again. And here, we're going to paste it. But before that, you have to write down a command, export, and then space, then I paste it, okay? Paste the key. Hit enter. Here you can see export is not recognized. So we'll actually say here set, okay? Set, then paste the code, API key. And now hit enter. And here you can see environment variable added. Now I'll remove this and I'll actually create a project through it. So let's say I want to create a project here. So I'm going to click here new folder. And I'll say here, let's say test-API -codex. So this is my project name. Now I'll go inside this project. And here I'll open command prompt. So I'll click in the address bar and I'll say here cmd, hit enter to open command prompt here. Now here I have to say codex and hit enter. And codex will be open here. But before that, here you can see we have to actually log into our account auth.openai.com. So we'll click Google, continue with the Google and continue it. Now I can actually close this space. Now here you can see it's done. Now I'll say here to actually create something. Yes, I want to say here that create an index file, index.html file. I want to make a portfolio website. Hit enter. Okay, I can see working. But the problem is to use Codex with your ChatGPT plan. Here you can see upgrade to plus. It means you can actually do it for free. You need to pay for it. And unfortunately, I cannot actually show you the rest of the process because I haven't buy ChatGPT Plus. I have ChatGPT free plan. So I'm really sorry for this. But if you have ChatGPT Plus, you can actually create or generate any project through Codex. If you want to create your full project for free, you can use OpenAI CLI. And we have a bunch of different videos on it. So you can check it in our channel. We have a playlist called AI Integration. So go there and watch it. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.